with the first trick, that is left to right addition. अभी तक हमने राइट टू लेफ्ट एडिशन किया है, लेकिन इस ट्रिक में हम सीखेंगे कि कैसे हम लेफ्ट टू राइट एडिशन करते हैं. So let's see some example to understand this trick in a better way. First example is 56 and 79. First add the left number, that is 5 and 7, we get 12. When we add 9 and 6, we get 15. What is the next step? Keep first and last term as it is and add the middle terms. That means 1 and 5 as it is. When we add 2 and 3, 2 and 1, we get 3. That means 135 is our answer. Next example is 4 plus 9 is equal to 13 and 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. In the same way, keep 1 and 5 as it is and add the middle term, that is 3 plus 1, we get 4. 145 is our answer. ये ट्रिक आपको सिर्फ 2 डिजिट नंबर में ही फॉलो नहीं करनी है. You can follow this trick to solve the 3 digit number, 4 digit number, 5 digit number, या आप 4 टर्म्स के लिए, 5 टर्म्स के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं. So let's see another example. Here we have 856 and 485. In the same way, first add 8 plus 4, that is 12. 5 plus 8, we get 30. Keep 1 and 3 as it is and add the middle term, that is 2 plus 1, 3. Now, what is the last term, that is the last column? 6 plus 5, we get 11. 13 and 1 as it is and add the middle term, that is 3 plus 1, 4. That means 1341 is our answer. Here you can see we have 4 digits number. So we follow the same process. That means 4 plus 8, 12. 8 plus 5, we get 30. In the same way, 1 and 3 as it is. Add the middle term, that is 2 plus 1, 3. Next is 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Now, 13 and 1 as it is and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Now, 134 and 3 as it is and add the middle term, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That means 13,423 is our answer. Let's take more example. Here we have 5 terms and we have 4 terms. So देखते हैं कि अगर हमारे पास 2 से ज्यादा टर्म्स है तो भी हम इस मेथड को फॉलो कर सकते हैं. बिल्कुल सही समझा आपने. जी हाँ, कर सकते हैं. अगर आपके पास 5 terms है, 6 terms है, you can follow this method. So here we have 5 terms. First add the first column. That is 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. And 16 plus 4, we get 20. Our next column is 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. And 19 plus 2 is equal to 21. In the same way, keep 2 and 1, that is the first and last term as it is, and add the middle term. When we add 0 and 2, we get 2. So here we have 221. Now we add the last column, that is 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 4 is equal to 23. And 23 plus 2 is equal to 25. In the same way, here we have first term, that is 22. And last term we have 5. And add the middle term, that is 1 plus 2, we get 3. That means 2235 is our answer. Take another example. Here we have 4 terms. So in the same way, first we add the first column, that is 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 9, 19, and 19 plus 6, we get 25. Second column is 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 4, 16, and 16 plus 3, we get 19. Now, keep 2 and 9 as it is, and add 5 and 1, we get 6. And third column, that is 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, and 18 plus 5, we get 23. In the same way, keep 26 and 3 as it is, and 9 plus 2, we get 11. लेकिन आपको यहाँ 11 नहीं लिखना है, यहाँ पर सिर्फ आपको 1 लिखना है 11 का, और 1 आपको यहाँ पर ऐड करना है. That means 2713 we get after solve the first three columns. Now, what is the last column? Here we have 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, we get 13. And 13 plus 4, we get 17. In the same way, our first term is here 271 and last term is 7. When we add the middle term, that is 3 and 1, we get 4. That means 27,147 is our answer. Let's start with the second method for addition, that is the question box method. This is the unique method for addition. जैसा कि आपको नाम से समझ में आ रहा होगा, ये मेथड आपके नाम के साथ साथ काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है. मेथड में करना क्या है, आपको नॉर्मली एडिशन करते जाना है. जहां पर भी आपको सम 11 और 11 से ज्यादा मिलता है, आपको एक टिक लगाना है और ये प्रोसेस करते जाएंगे लास्ट तक. टिक लगाने के बाद इन द लास्ट आपको उन टिक्स को और एडिशन को एल शेप में ऐड करना है. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज स्टूडेंट्स. Let's see some example to understand this method in a better way. Here you can see 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. You can see 17 is more than 11. So put a tick here. And what is the difference between 17 and 11? That is 6. तो आपको addition अभी 6 से start करना है. That means 6 plus 7, we get 13. Again, 13 is more than 11. So put a tick here. And what is the difference between 13 and 11? We get 2. तो आपका जो आंसर है, आपका एडिशन है, वो आपका 2 है. In the same way, next 5 plus 6, that is 11. Put a tick here because 11 आपको मिल चुका है और जहां पर भी आपको 11 मिलता है, आपको एक टिक लगाना है. 11 minus 11, we get 0. तो आपको एडिशन 0 से स्टार्ट करना है. That means 5 plus 8, 13. Again, 13 is more than 11 and difference between 13 and 11, we get 2. So, our answer is here 2. Next, 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. So, that means 13 is more than 11. In the same way, आपको वही process follow करना है. 13 minus 11, we get 2. So 2 plus 3, we get 5. So we put here 5. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 4, that is 13. So put a tick here because 13 is more than 11. Then 13 minus 11, we get 2. And 2 plus 2, we get 4. So what is this? This is the running total. You can say running total. RT means running total. That means this is not your answer. अभी आपको करना क्या है? We put tick. How many ticks are here? Here we have 1 tick. Here we have 1 tick. Here we have 2 ticks. And here we have 2 ticks. So what is this? These are the ticks. तो आपको रनिंग टोटल को और टिक्स को ऐड करना है, लेकिन सिंपल एडिशन नहीं करना, आपको एल शेप में ऐड करना है. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग मेथड है. So what is here? 0, 0. एल शेप में ऐड करने के लिए आप यहाँ पे 0 पुट करेंगे. Here we get 0. So now addition 2 plus 2, 4 and 0, we get 4. 2 plus 2 4 in the L shape, here 2, that means 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6. In the same way L shape में आपको ऐड करना है 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 we get 8, 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6, and in the last 0 plus 0 0 and plus 1 we get 1. That means 16,864 our answer. Let's take another example. आप इस मेथड से कितनी भी टर्म्स को ऐड कर सकते हैं, आपको कैरी की कंफ्यूजन नहीं रहेगी और आपके मिस्टेक होने के चांसेस भी कम रहेंगे. So let's see. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14. That means 14 is greater than 11. So put a tick here, and 14 minus 11 we get 3. 3 plus 9 we get 12. Again 12 is greater than 11, so we put a tick here, and 12 minus 11 we get 1. Next one is 5 plus 9, that is 5 plus 9 14. 14 is greater than 11, so put a tick here, and 14 minus 11 we get 3. 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 9 18. So 18 minus 11 we get 7, and put a tick here. 7 plus 6 we get 13 again, and 13 minus 11 we get 2. Next one is 7 plus 6 we get 13, and 13 is more than 11, and the difference between 13 and 11 that is 2. तो हमने टिक इसलिए लगाया है क्योंकि 13 11 से ज्यादा है और 2 हमने डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट किया है 13 minus 11. So 2 plus 6, 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 6 we get 8, and 8 plus 0 again we get 8. So put here 8. Next one is 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 12, that means 12 is more than 11, and find the difference between 12 and 11 we get 1. So put a tick here, 1 plus 0 1, and 1 plus 4 we get 5. Next column is 9 plus 0 9, and 9 plus 5 that means 14. 14 is greater than 11, so put a tick here. 14 minus 11 we get 3, 3 plus 3 6, and 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So put again a tick here, and 11 minus 11 we get 0. In the last column we have 5 plus 1 that is 6, 6 plus 4 we get 10, 10 plus 2 we get 12. Again 12 is more than 11, and 12 minus 11 we get 1. So put a tick here. Next one is 1 plus 8 that is 9. So 9 here. Now this is the running total you can see. And how many ticks are here? Here in the first column we have only 1 tick. Here we have 2 ticks. Here we have 1 tick. Here again next column we have 1 tick. Here we have 3 ticks, and here we have 2 ticks. तो आपका नेक्स्ट स्टेप आपको एल शेप में ऐड करना है. So now 2 plus 1 3 plus 0 3, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 we get 7, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, लेकिन आपको यहाँ पे 12 नहीं लिखना है, 2 1 as a carry, 5 plus 1 6, and 7 plus 8. Now 0 plus 2 2 plus 1 that is 3, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12, in the same way 2 here, and 1 used as a carry. Now 0 plus 0 0, 1 and 2. That means 22,38,273 is our answer. Let's start the third method for addition, that is the dot method. क्या है dot method? आपको नॉर्मली एडिशन करना है, लेकिन कैरी के रिप्लेस पे हम लिखेंगे डॉट। कैसे? लेट्स सी। आवर फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज 46 प्लस 27। तो आपको करना क्या है? हियर व्हेन वी ऐड 6 एंड 7 वी गेट 13। तो आपको जहां पर भी डॉट मेथड में आपको एडिशन के बाद 2 डिजिट नंबर मिलता है तो आपको कैरी के प्लेस पे आपको वहां पर डॉट लगाना है और डॉट को एज्यूम करना है एज ए 1। Here when we add 6 and 7 we get 13. So आपको जो 13 का 3 है वो यहाँ पर लिखना है और जो 1 है उसको एज ए डॉट आपको यहाँ पर डॉट लगानी है। Now what is the next number? That is 4 plus 2 6 and plus 1 that is 7. So here we get 7. That means 73 is our answer. Next example is 234, 456 and 178. So first 4 plus 6 we get 10. So 10 का जो आपका 1 है वो आपको यहाँ पर एज ए डॉट यूज करना है and 0 plus 8 we get 8. Now next is 3 dot आप 1 assume करेंगे that is 3 plus dot that is 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 5 we get 9 and 9 plus 7 we get 16. In the same way आप 6 यहाँ पर लिखोगे और जो 16 का 1 है आप यहाँ पर एज ए डॉट यूज करोगे। Now 2 plus 4 6 plus 1 7 and plus 1 8. So 868 is our answer. बहुत ही सिंपल सा मेथड है। Let's see one more example. Here we have 7 plus 6 that is 13. So आपके पास 13 which is a 2 digit number, तो as 3 आपको यूज करना है लेकिन 1 आपको डॉट से रिप्लेस कर देना है। That is 3 यहाँ पर 1 dot 3 plus 4 that is 7. Now 4 plus 1 5 6 6 plus 8 14. That means 4 here and 1 dot. 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6 6 plus 2 8. In the same way 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. That means 8847 is our answer. Let's take fourth example. Here we have 4 numbers and all the numbers are 4 digit number. So let's start. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 0 keep in your mind and 1 के लिए आप यहाँ पर डॉट यूज करेंगे। 0 plus 1 we get 1. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 1 that is 9. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. So 5 keep in your mind. For 1 we put a dot here. Now 5 plus 9 we get 14. So 14 का जो आप 4 है आप यहाँ पर लिखोगे और जो 1 के लिए आप यहाँ पर डॉट लगाओगे। Next 9 plus 8 17. So 1 के लिए आप यहाँ पर डॉट यूज करेंगे and 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 8 16. In the same way 1 के लिए आप यहाँ पर डॉट यूज करेंगे and 6 plus 1 that is 7. 7 plus 2 that means 9. In the last column, we get 3 plus 1, that is 4. 4 plus 6, we get 10. So 0 keep in your mind and for 1, we put a dot here. 0 plus 1, that is 1. 1 plus 5, we get 6. And 6 plus 3, again, we get 9. Here only we have 1 dot, that means this is 1. That means 19,941 is our answer. I hope you understood this trick.